Idea number 2 to start generating revenue with Chat GPT. So here we have dating help. Relationships will always be around and people will always need help with them. And the easiest thing to do is to create a digital product in which you are the expert and you would, for an initial product, a low ticket product, you would then go on to give tips. For example, how to send your first message without it being hi or hey or the general I like the way your display photo look. You would send somebody something that is creative, and here we have GPT creating a flirty first message for a dating app, and it is important that we strike a balance between playful and respectful. And I asked GPT to give me a few examples, and here they are. You would then rebrand them with hip terms that people now use, or use it just as is and repackage it into a low ticket product. A lot of these are sold via Gumroad or Etsy. And what people usually do is create a bank of these, sometimes 100, other times 500, and each of it would be phrases that a person can use to gently introduce themselves in a dating situation, and it would give ideas on first dates and other things that people might have a challenge with. Notice you don't have to be very general, you can be very specific. This is awesome. In terms of you identify a specific group of people and then focus on their pain points and their needs, and you would go about, of course, finding this demographic and this audience, and then going from there to finding their pain point and then creating a product that solves this. And GPT can be a fast way to create a product, because here you see me asking it for a lot of advice in different scenarios, and then I'd go on to package this probably via Canva into a beautiful or attractive or good looking template, and then I would have it as a PDF, or I could stuff these answers into a Notion page, and then I'd go on to package it on a marketplace, and people would then buy 500 suggestions about how to send a first message that suits this scenario or that scenario, or depending on if the person is blonde or brunette. Remember, you can switch it up. But people are always in need of relationship advice, and so you can go to GPT, learn about relationships, learn the best ways to solve problems in such unions, and then go on to create content, letting people know that you're learning about love and relationships and that you are someone they can go to for advice for a specific purpose. For example, single men, single women, women that are single but have children. So you identify your audience, start showing people you can solve their problems, and of course, create products that lead them into your bigger ticket items where you might do one on one coaching with them for over months and months to ensure that by the end of this period, they then go on to be in a successful and happy relationship. And GPT is setting the groundwork for this because it covers all the content creation that you would need to do, and it also speeds up you understanding relationships and love, and of course, presenting content to your audience for them to come to you.